What's good, guys? What's good? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hopefully, the market is going to start to pick up very soon. Currently, I'm looking for a short on the Nasdaq. However, the ES seems bullish right now, and also the YM also is very bullish right now. Currently trading at all-time high. Tuesday, everybody. On the YM side, the market is I bet on the YM we're gonna trade to 54K. Fortunately, no trade for me in here. I was watching this earlier during London session. I was thinking of buying this turtle soup, but yeah, I guess it's already too late for this. This market has been ripping very good, to be quite honest with you. Up ng 0.49%, while the NQ currently is struggling. See, NQ is dumping to the downside. I am more so on the side of NQ of bearish movement. I want to see NQ to start trading to previous week opening, which is up down here. Yeah, what's tricky only is which one would you rather be, a bearish on NQ or bullish on ES and Dow? Malalaman natin yan obviously at market open, but currently I'm very interested in this. Tapos drop lower. Meron din tayong this gap was the gap from last Thursday na hindi pa pinifill ng market, and I bet we're gonna fill this. Maybe once we fill this, kasi mag-open tayo down here, we have a gap sa upside. We also have a gap sa downside from last time. So, yeah, potentially pwede itong mag-trade higher kasi from yesterday, ito yung gap natin. So, we have a gap sa downside and also gap sa upside, if that makes sense. Gusto ko mag-trade ng pre-market, but those gaps sa upside are making me a bit nervous on the downside. Pero gusto ko siyang i-trade pre-market into this. Then downside level, pero yeah, we move away from it too much already. Meron din tayong bearish SMT here. Dito sa level na to. So we got a lot of SMT right now pre-market, and wala tayong news as far as I know. Yun, live na pala, late na. Yep. How do you find your bias? Basically just anticipating higher time frame. Kung ano yung candlestick, kung ano yung likelihood na mag-expand ng daily candlestick, that's your bias. Kung saan mo sa tingin mag-expand ng daily candle, that's how you form your bias. Right now, I'm leaning more towards the side ng bearish kay NQ. Ang problema ko lang dito is hindi in line ng NQ and ES and YM. And as far as the dollar goes, bullish ako on the dollar. I want to see dollar start pushing higher from this level. So bullish dollar, bearish indices. Also, if bullish ako on the dollar, that would mean bearish on the foreign currencies. Di lang ganun kaganda ang current structure nitong Forex, pero yeah, I'd like to see us drop lower sa indices and then bullish dollar is what I'm hoping for. Di pa rin nawawala yung sipon ko, guys, so apologies. Tight on gold. I don't trade gold, so no gold trading. Gold. Yeah. Nothing very convincing to me in terms of gold. Sa daily, hindi ako very convinced sa daily ni gold. But yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen here. Looking forward to seeing this gap filled from last Thursday, and then from there, we're gonna find out if we're gonna start to trade higher. So far, during London session, we have this kind of consolidation in 15 minutes. Then we had this big pop up and it failed. And yeah, chat, we got 20 minutes. Feel free to send your questions while I am not trading. Market is dumping right now. Nagda-dump nitong NQ. I wanted to short here. But I guess nag-top na tayo sa 5. We didn't have to top the 15. Market is already moving away from it. Let's see if magdi-distribute lang tayo sa downside. Currently, down na tayo ng 1%. 1% down already. One percent down already. Nag-download ako ng Clash of Clans chat. I miss the days na laro ako ng COC. COC chat. Dati, ano na ako dito eh, TH10. TH10, ngayon TH5. Kaka-download ko lang kanina. Kung naglaro kayo ng ganito, sino naglaro ng COC sa inyo back then? Very nostalgic game. Pay to win. Bumili ako agad ng builder's hat. Para 5 yung builder ko. What's up, Cheyenne? What's up? Notify mo pala sa Discord. Okay, I'll do that. Di ako ganong active sa Discord lately. My apologies. Let's go live. Let's go live. What if gawa tayo ng chat? Trading clan sa COC. Sinong nagsi-COC sa inyo? Gawa tayo ng clan. Yep, like the stream, chat. Appreciate it. What's your bias? Bearish on NQ. Obviously, anything can happen when the market open up. As far as the NQ goes, I'd like to think that we are gonna go down. Problematic lang dito is it's best if we can see NQ and YM to also participate sa bearishness. Itong GBP USD mukhang magdadump. Ang pangit ng structure. Like, what the fuck is this? This is unacceptable. Five more minutes, chat. Market is gonna open. Thank you for the Angela Aki. Ay, Sir Angel to ah. Bravo. Thank you. You don't need to send though. Angela Aquino. Ano yan, ka-work ko before. Balita ko, assistant principal ka na dyan sa systems. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Pag gold, ano per correlation niya? Dollar. Dollar ang correlation ng gold. What's your game plan? Bearish ako right now. In fact, I wanted to short here earlier. Kaso, yeah, we didn't tap into it. We tap into 5 minute and then dump. I think we're gonna trade dito sa double bottom ni NQ. Hopefully, this will give us potential trade. Kapon, I stayed here for like an hour and a half and I didn't find any entry, fortunately. So we're just gonna wait. Hopefully, mabigyan pa ng manipulation sa upside. Kasi if mag-distribute lang tayo sa downside, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get in this trade. Let's say mag straight up tayo down here. I might not be able to get any trade if that happens. We still have bearish 4-hour gap above. Meron tayong 5-minute right now. Pwede to, pero kalaban mo dito is yung opening. Pero if you wanna gamble, this is something worth taking in my opinion. Itong 5 minutes for value gap na to. You also have gaps upside once we open. Pwede to. I have a feeling that this could actually work. To be honest with you, chat. I have a feeling na magdi-distribute to here. Pwede kong i-attempt ito. You know, I can attempt this for 3 micros. Gamble at the open. Let's say 4 micros, $200 risk. You know what? I'm not gonna take this. Not gonna take that. Ang pinaka the best was from here earlier. Nag-anticipate ako na potential top into this sa 15 minutes, but I didn't realize na meron tayong 5-minute FBG, which is why sa 15 nagkaroon na tayo ng breakaway gap here. Kasi na-fill yung 5 down here. With the new Apex system, nakaranas kami ng reject payout, nadi-deny mga matataas ay nililipat sa live. Hindi sila nadi-deny. Na-approve sila but they're getting moved to live. Tapos forfeit yung balance. Nalalagay sa vault. Di pa ako nakakuha ng payout ever since nagkaroon ng new model, but hopefully with the new set of PA I have, makakuha ng payout. But yeah, chat, we got 1 more minute left. Good luck to everyone. Let's hopefully crush this market today. And yeah, make some, hopefully, money. Let's hopefully make some money today, chat. Let's see, chat. Market is about to open. I'm actually quite sad na hindi ako nakapag-engage dito sa Dow. I feel like Dow was such an easy money today. Unfortunately, di ako nakapag-participate here. Dow was very perfect. London session from earlier. May maganda tong daily profile today. Tong Dow Jones. Very unfortunate. All right, market is open. We actually did trade into it. Let's see. We got the low down here. All right, let's see. Oh wow, what a big push right now. Oh my god, chat. Fucking crazy, bro. This is crazy. OMG, chat. Just OMG. That's all I can say. Oh my god. That was crazy. Nag-trade pa siya back into a 15-minute key level and starting to dump right now. Grabbing week. Yeah, it's quite crazy. I think solid yung wick, no? Nag-trade siya sa 15 and rejected pretty hard from that level. Anong edge mo sa market? Wala akong edge. I'm edge hera. We're just having an entertainment here, chat. Just having fun. We're just having fun here. Just having fun. What session nag-open ang market ngayon? 9:30? If I'm not mistaken, New York launch na pagdating ng 10 p.m., di ba? No. 10 p.m.? No. That's still market open. See the Dow dumping right now. Currently in this chop mode. But I'd like to think that we're gonna start selling up soon. We did trade into 25.25%. I think we're gonna dump from here. We're already dumping. Wow, pretty crazy. We just manipulated upside, and from what I can see, we're still gonna dump continuously here. Oh. Crazy. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. I should have entered sa 15 minutes. We need to retrace one more time. Trade tayo sa endog. If patuloy pa rin tayo mag-sell off from here. We have a lot of room sa downside kay ES. First 930 FVG's form. Sell na ba ito? Up to you guys. You want to sell. Ito dip na. Ang emotional. Ang emotional niyo sa TikTok, guys, ah. Anong edge mo sa market? Paano mo napatunayan profitable ito sa long term? I don't know, chat. I never claim I was profitable. Did I ever claim na profitable ako? I don't know. I don't think so. TikTok is weird. Man, this is crazy. We're still dumping right now. I love the fact na we did have this manipulation. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? I could have entered it. I could have done my best to enter from it, but yeah, it is what it is. Still ripping, bro. Freaking crazy. Sino idol mo foreign trader? I would say Jade Cap. Jade Cap is the one I look up the most. Trading now sa 930 FVG. Um, tu, 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 tu. Night open. Third. Bearish pa din ako dito. Not bullish in any shape or form yet. Nice rejection sa 930 FVG. Ideally, dapat hindi na tayo magkaroon ng closure above here. Solid yung sell-off from that level. Still selling off. Solid volatility today. Ako makita mag-trade ang market here. Pero naging resistance ito. Itong end-dog. Looking for something like this. Potentially a basic trade. Like this. Quick top above here. Ako makakuha ng basic dito sa area na to. To short from. Let's see if ma-feel ako dito. Top ko above here. Come on, do it. Take profit ko siguro sa 60s. 50% nito. Nitong bullish candle na to. Ideally, hindi muna siya mag-trade dito sa bullish candle na to sa 50%. Pag nag-trade na siya dito, I'm gonna be more careful with how I approach my take profit here. Unfortunately, na-feel lang tong 930 for value gap and we rejected from it. The most ideal scenario is mag-wick out siya outside of this 930. Fill this. then be taken out on this profit. Let's see. One and done ako dito sa mga Apex account na to. Not good. Not good, not good. Ideally, ma-feel ako sa candle na to. The stake profit would be the 50% of this bullish candle. Yeah. Fortunately, di ako na-fill. That's quite unfortunate. Na-fill lang yung 930 for value gap. Yung ako sa bearish 5 from here. Give it some time. Giving it one more minute to fill me. Kapag di ako na-fill sa next candle, tatanggalin ko na tong order na to. Likely not going to work pag di ako na-fill. I need to get fill in this next candle. See what happened here. Support yung ano yung 930 open.
Order filled.
Chat. Let's see. Up na ako ng 10 points. Taking this $400.
Stop filled.
There you go. Dami kong ano. That was a 4K trade. Medyo nalito ako doon. Ang dami kong dollar open PNL, dollar total PNL. Yeah, so that was $500 per account. Right here. That was a very quick trade. So sana siyang i-hold, but yeah. Yeah. That was a quick trade. That was a quick trade for me. Yeah, in chat, there is the PNL. I just need 3 more days. Makapag-request ako ng payout. I still think we're gonna dump. Hindi nyo nakikita yung trade ko, by the way, sa TikTok. If nanonood kayo sa TikTok, you won't see my trade kasi iba yung screen ko with trade of 8. Sa red app, makikita nyo yung buong ginagawa ko. I'm done on this trade. Up ako ng 5K something. So, I'm not going to force these accounts. Kailangan ko na lang ng, kailangan ng few basic. So, that was a quick 20 points trade. 1:1.8. 1:1.8. Boss, yung system, ang sound, ang lakas. Really? I'm so sorry. Alright. Sorry. Kung malakas yung system sound ko. Yung sound, sorry. But yeah. Let's remove this now. The trade ko na yung iba kong account. I'm done on those Apex account. Just going for base it, bro. Risk ko usually 200. If naka-hold ako, would I get taken out? No, I'm still, yeah, probably mabe-break even ako doon if in-hold ko to. Pero I still believe na magda-dump pa rin to. I still believe na magda-dump pa din tong market na to. Sorry guys, sorry. Yung system ko, hindi ko pa naayos, so my apologies. Ito ang short to, itong per value gap na to. Kaso, potentially micro trade. Top above this high. Continuation. Tingin nyo ba magka-close tayo above this hourly or mag-sell off tayo here? Kasi 2 micros at best. Right, let's see this. 2 micros. Ito separate funded account ko to. This is ilang funded account to? 10 funded account. Risking $200 on this one. Hindi maganda yung closure ni ES though. Nag-support yung midnight open price ni ES. Possible ma-stop out ako dito. Too late to the party. $200 risk lang naman to. All good. Importante yung mga Apex account ko because malapit na yun sa payout. Medyo sketchy lang sa position ko na to is kapag yung 1 hour na close above. So, you see this end dog, right? Meron tayong end dog dito. Problema dito, the last 10 minutes. So, naka-short ako. I'm anticipating na magkakaroon tayo ng closure below. So, yung last 10 minutes, dapat hindi siya mag-reject above. Kasi pag nag-reject to above, mas-stop out ako. So, based on this trade right now, I'm expecting itong 1 hour closure is gonna be aggressive sa downside. And yeah, I'm hoping na this would continue to trade lower. Currently short just 2 micros on this. Can technically break even down here just to be safe or reduce the risk. Pwede mag-BE dito or reduce risk. Di maganda yung participation ni ES right now because ES is supporting midnight open. Wanna see ES trade sa London session low. Done ka na today, boss? Hindi pa. I still have this account. May CFD pa ako. Di ko pa natitrade mga CFD ko. So, I'm not yet done. Pero, one and done ako sa mga futures ko. So, 9:50 na. We got this macro right now. Prices is stalling a bit here, which is not something I'm very fond of. Analysis ka lang naman. Yes, you're right. Tama ka dyan, Khalid. I love when people talk shit pero wala silang muka. Oh, there you go. Paralysis is paying off one more time, chat. Paralysis is paying off one more time, I guess. Pwede na ako mag-break even right now if I wanted to. Paralysis is paying off. I could get, yeah, I think I'm gonna go break even here. I think pwede mag-reverse to. We're stalling from here, which is I'm not very fan of. But I could also just take the risk. Proper ka, boss. Yes. Pero may live account ako. I just don't trade it often because the leverage is not that great. Mas gusto kong i-leverage ang props. Pag nag-trade tayo sa London session low ni ES, I would put myself to break even. We're not really doing anything right here at the moment. Ideally, mag-sell off to the downside here. London session ni ES about to be taken out. Moving my stop break even right now. TTP ako sa mga iba kong account. Alright, $400. 1,500 secured sa mga funded ko. Still have running right now. Still running ako na dito. Sa mga account na to. Love to see it. Kailangan kong up na ako ng 100 points. Just 2 micros right now. 65. Still going. Just nice. Taking profit sa lahat ng funded account ko. That is another I think up na ako ng 8K today. Ngayon evals na lang tong mga ongoing. Currently evals right now yung mga open position. Just gonna hold into this. 100 points na up. Micros are paying the bills, chat. Micros are paying the bills today. Crazy. How many accounts? I don't know. Yung tinitrade ko, I have more than 30 plus. 30 plus account. Pansin ko lang, left hand gamit sa mouse. No, right hand. Mali lang yung camera angle lang. Pero right hand gamit ko. I think, let's see. Gusto ko siyang i-hold, pero at the same time, I don't know what to feel about this. Um, it's not like going to impact a lot. Yeah, I think flatten all ko na to. I still want to see lower prices, pero this is why I'm so bearish dito kay NQ, because we have a lot of sell side right now. Flatten all ko na to. I'm gonna flatten them all para makapag-refresh ako. Okay, now what? Now what, chat? I am up more than 10k today. Up on a more than 10k across all my accounts. All green ako right now, which I love, obviously. Here is the PNL for today. Yan sa Ninja Trader to. Mga prop firm, ibang account ko sa firm, other firms. Tapos, this is my Apex naman. With Apex, 9 lang account ko sa Apex. I am up is 460. Base it lang. I'm just taking that base it. Malapit na ako makakuha ng payout with this Apex accounts. Kailangan ko lang 3 more days. Tas yung balance, 53,600. So, yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad, chat. For now, okay. Ano bang gagawin ko right now? I still believe na we're gonna trade to the downside. I'm not going to trade my futures anymore. Not going to trade my futures account. Magte-trade na lang ako ng CFD. But I'm not willing to be a seller down here. I need to see a better structure kung gusto ko mag-sell dito. Kinakopy mo lang ibang account mo, entry, how to copy trade them all at once. Prop firm meron. May entry kaya. I already took 2 trades already. Both short. Isang short dito. Isang short here. Stop ko above here. Tapos isang short here. And I fully take profit here. Stop goes here. So yes, I did took a trade already. Aggressive 4-hour close right now. Ano pwedeng gamitin yung pang-copy trade sa CFD? Social trader tools. Paano mag-trade ng dalawang account sa isang trade lang ya? May copy trading ang mga futures. Futures. Parang nagiging weak itong ES. Nagiging weak itong ES. We also have a good liquidity kay ES. Sa CFD meron din copy trading, but kailangan mo ng third-party software. Wow, chat. We got 100 people right now. Crazy. That's crazy. Dapat pala no activation pinili ko kaya standard na lang. Well, it could go both ways, di ba? Pwede kang matalo. And you pay a premium. I still think we're gonna trade lower, chat. Personally, medyo masyado akong nadidiscountan dito sa NQ, even though NQ is the one very heavy right now. Parang mas gusto kong i-short ang ES. I think I'm gonna wait for a better structure. Although, in theory, pwede mag-sell off lang siya dito. If a market is really bearish, it's just gonna keep respecting those PD arrays. Trade ko yung mga eval ko, chat. How are you, chat? Kailan po mag-upload sa bootcamp? I'm trying my best, chat. Gusto ko talagang, plano ko talaga is to upload daily, but things happen, personal life. Nagkasakit ako, so I was not able to do it. Meron na akong episode 5, but I haven't been able to upload it. Or di ko pa na-edit. Kung anong gamit sa pag-multiple trade. Social trader tools sa CFD. But you're likely not gonna need that. Kasi unless nagtitrade ka ng 400k account, 200k account, which, no offense, I don't think many people are trading that amount. There's no need to copy trade sa CFD. Unless max allocation ka sa isang firm. Nice, bearish 5-minute. Anong firm ginagamit mo aside from Apex? I use a lot. Anything that you could think of. Gamit ko. Lahat ng maisip mo na I should have, I have. Lahat ng available sa Pilipinas, I have. Kakabigay lang ng ano ko account. Meron akong 1 million funding sa isang firm alone. That's quite crazy. I have 1 million, chat. One firm alone sa CFD. Yeah. Madami. I have a lot. A lot, chat. A lot. Monthly ka nagpe-payout, yeah. Sometimes, yes. Coach, paano set up trend line yung auto straight? Anong auto straight? Hindi ako nagte-trend line pero merong magnet sa left side ng trading view. Tapos click mo lang shift. Click mo yung shift, tapos automatic yan mag-i-straight. Ayan. Pag click mo yung shift habang dinadrag mo. $1M USD. 1M capital, yes. Pero 90k lang yung drawdown. 1M lang yung account size. Dalawang 500k. Quite crazy. Kakakuha ko lang actually sa isa ngayon. ginto? What do you mean ginto? What do you mean by that, bro? Oh, what do you mean? Mm. One M funded account. Dalawang 500k, yes, sa CFD. Pero 90k lang yung drawdown. Not like 1M yung drawdown. All of them are intraday or end of day. I want Apex, but yeah, activation is expensive. There's evaluation where you don't have to pay activation fee. Are you still in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade anymore. I still believe, chat, that we're gonna trade lower. We have a good sell side liquidity pool on the downside. We have a good gap on the ES, as you can see right here. I'm hoping that we can trade into this bearish order block on the ES. We may not have it anymore, but yeah, I'm trying to see if we can trade into this and then drop down. I feel like ES has more room right now. It has a good gap sa downside. We can trade into this 0.5 level. But yeah, we're already selling off. Unfortunately, we might not get that entry anymore. You prefer end of day? Yeah, end of day are typically better, but they are a bit harder to pass because of daily drawdown. Anong prop firm yan? E8. Dalawang 500k. You are my inspiration right now in trading. I learn a lot. Still waiting for episode 5. Hey, appreciate that. I'm trying my best to upload. It's just that I was sick and I don't want to make a video that is not 100% made out of good well-being, if that makes sense. We finally sold off dito kay GBP USD. I want to short this earlier pero I just don't see a good model na makakapag-short ako. I don't know how to engage with the current price action pero yeah, I have a good gauge of the dollar respecting this bullish gap. I'm bullish on the dollar this week. In fact, for the rest of the month, I think we're gonna trade into this monthly fair value gap. That is what I am leaning forward to. I think tomorrow this is definitely a buy. London session would be great tomorrow. If we can get another fair value gap here, so 1 hour, I think we're gonna trade higher tomorrow on the dollar. That would send the GBP and Euro to the downside. NQ right now is just going sideways while trading into a 5. E prop. No, I don't trade with E. How long have you been trading? 4 years. Took it seriously in 2024. 2022. But I've been exposed to market since 2020 pandemic. Anong year ba ang Axie? 2021? 2021 bang Axie or 2020? I'm not sure. Every day ka pa nagtitrade? Yeah, I'm trying my best to trade every day. Fortunately, hindi tayo nagkaroon ng... Oh, we got this 5-minute retracement, but 1 minute starting to become a dog shit. I'm not gonna lie. I think 1 minute is nerf right now. I don't think 1 minute is gonna provide any more setup. A plus day. Yeah, for sure. We got that manipulation at market open and we start sold off pretty hard. Not gonna lie, that was a great manipulation to upside. That was a great manipulation, chat. Oh man, that was such a good day. Such a good PA. Did you catch that move? Half? Yeah, I did catch the half. I was able to enter here, took profit here. What time you usually trade? 9:20, 9:15. 2021 is peak Axie, then KMJS ruined it. Was it the top when KMJS started talking about it? Was that the top? Still selling off right now. Just very heavy. Solid heavy today. Solid daily expansion. Ito na yung retracement na binigay ng market, itong 5. I was trying dito sa 5 minute ni OB ni ES, but we didn't have it. We just stopped into this at 10 o'clock and started sold off. I've been looking at this since yesterday, di ba? If maalala nyo, if you were here in the stream yesterday, I was talking about this gap fill, and we are having it now. So from last Thursday, we have this gap from the bank holiday. We never really traded into this level yesterday, so this is why I was bearish in this market. NQ, I think NQ gap fill has already happened. Yep, crazy gap. Yeah, A plus day for sure. Chat. Today was an A plus day between 9:30 to 10 o'clock. After that, after around 10 o'clock, I would say hindi na ganun kaganda yung mga opportunity aside from this 5 minute level. If you're trading this 5 minute for buy gap, you should have a wider stop. So this would have been your setup. It's hard to have a tighter stop in this scenario. You can have a tight stop here, but you are at risk of getting stopped. YM right now just went down. Escalator up, elevator down, baby. Crazy. YM, I think magre-retrace tayo dito kay YM and then we sell off again. Midnight open. 15-minute bearish. I do believe na magte-trade tayo in here, then sold off one more time. Potentially this as a draw. No wick. Pick kasi sa news yung mga success story like nakabili sila ng cars and houses. And that was crazy yung Axie days. Everyone was sprinting for sure. Ano yung midnight open? Through day open. 000. Okay, let's just wait. Ano tayo ngayon? June 7. Man. Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen right now. I still believe now we're gonna go down, but you know, na-hit na yung 0.5 ni ES. We hit the last Thursday's low. Ilan na na-blow na evals mo? 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus. Ganun na karami ang na-blow ko. Ano pinagkaiba ng EOD sa intraday? Meron akong full video sa YouTube ko. It's a bit long to explain. Check mo sa Introduction to Futures. Meron akong full guide regarding that. So ngayon na chat, na-hit yung 0.5 ni ES. We hit the Thursday low. This is typically a level if market is gonna reverse, it's gonna happen right at this time, especially at 10:30. Dun ka usually makaka-notice ng bounce. Usually. Kung tatanungin niyo ako anong gusto kong trade, I wanna short YM right now. Pero sketch itong 4-hour bullish gap. Pero gusto ko siya mag-trade all the way down dito sa wick, no wick candle. Probably ito yung, yeah, no wick candle. July 6. Gusto ko mag-short here pero masyadong tight itong stop loss. Lagay na lang ako ng alert. Solid A plus day today. Bearish bias. We got this 1 hour bearish gap. SMT, then bearish 15. That was nice. That was nice, not gonna lie. One thing I could have done better. Hold into it. Hold into it. Add into it. nakakamiss yung mga gantong days, oh. July 7 of last year, nag-i-story ako. Holy cow, what an insane day. Trump news gave A plus setup requesting 10K. When kaya ulit? When kaya ulit makakapag-request ng 10K? Soon. Chat, soon. Damn, bro. This is just so heavy sa downside at the moment. After we tap into a 5-minute level, we just sold off again. Fucking crazy. Usually kapag ganito na ka-heavy yung market, you won't see a good 1-minute setup. Pag nag-distribute na siya from higher time frame, especially at 4-hour, right now, we're in that phase of distribution sa downside. And usually, hindi ka na bibigyan ng magandang entry. Pag ganito, wala kang magagawa because market is just selling off and not much you can do unless you have a wider stop. Kilala mo si TJR? Yeah. I think everybody knows TJR kasi famous siya. Yeah, I'm bearish bias right now. Even before market open, bearish na ako on the NQ. I wish I was able to participate kay ES. Just sad na di ako nakapag-enter on the ES, but yeah, crazy. Market is selling off. I think potentially we can trade dito today. We can sell off 700 points more, potentially. Market is really starting to become bearish today, chat. TikTok ba live parati? No, my main is YouTube. My main is YouTube. Caught the short, GG. Previous week open. We tap into it. Nasa 4-hour distribution tayo ngayon. How can I participate here? May LR sa higher time frame papunta. Give her value gap. I think we're about to trade dito sa monthly low. PML. It could happen today, to be honest. PML on the side of NQ because we're just really bearish today. Sa gandong scenario, nag-aantay lang ako ng quick backup. May magandang volume. Yung mapapaisip yung mga trader na shift in market structure. Do you think TGR works? I don't know. I don't study TGR. It's very similar to ICT, so yeah, I think it works. But that yeah, it doesn't mean legit TGR. Because he could be losing money. He can just be making a lot of money sa affiliates. I don't know. TGR is influencer, not really day trader. Damn, such a crazy move today, chat. You wanna see us retrace? How about Dodgy? I think Dodgy, yeah, for sure. Dodgy strategy works. What I don't like about Dodgy is I think he doesn't really make money. Um, I don't like the way kung paano siya maglagay ng I think marunong siya magturo, but I don't think he's a legitimate trader. That's what I think about Dodgy. He wins every day, never showing the losses, puro hindsight. Tapos, there are times na yung stop loss niya na hit na, he will say, yung stop niya is kinat niya, or sometimes sabihin niya wala siyang stop, mental stop. Rajabanks, I don't know about Rajabanks. At some point, itong mga tinutukoy nyo they are probably gonna make money at some point because they have more experience than me. Meron ka bang playlist or bootcamp? Yes, sa YouTube ko. Search 𝑘𝙤𝙤𝙀𝙗. Meron siyang trade, sabi niya. So basically, meron siyang nakitang inversion. Tapos, yung RR niya is negative eh. Tapos, nag-whipsaw yung price. Nagkaroon ng big candle. Tapos, biglang nag-spike. Sasabihin niya, naka-in pa din daw siya kasi wala daw siyang stop. Pero nilagay niya yung RR tool. Yun daw stop niya is above the closure ng inversion. Hanggat hindi daw magka-close yung inversion, hindi daw siya ma-stop. So, what if the market just traded 200 points? Tinanong sa kanya yun, ang sabi niya, madalang lang nangyayari yun. So, yeah, he's for sure influencer and educator, but for us, if he's a good trader, I don't think so. So, mag-try mag-base it dito for a 10 points. 10-point trade. I think magkakaroon ng magandang reaction here. I don't think we're gonna trade in here. Can try this. Total up naman ako on the day. This is a 5-minute bearish OB. Dami kasing trader na influencer. I don't have anything against with them. I think what's worse is when you try to fake it, I guess. But I don't have an issue with codes or anything like that. I do have codes myself. I wish I was making more money with codes than trading, because I'll be set. I'll be chilling, chat. Yeah, let's see if this can actually work. 42, stop ko at 60. Selling here, stop ko 60. Oh, it's unfortunate. Di ako na-fill. May consistency rule ba sa Apex? Sa PA account only. Yun na feel. God damn it. Fortunately. May maximum request times ba, not amount. Sa Apex, yeah, you can request up to 6 payout per account. Okay, let's see this. Hindi nyo pala nakikita because of my camera. Up. So, magte-trade tayo dito sa 5-minute OB. Oh, damn. Hindi na ako ma-feel dito. Boss, limit lagi order mo? Oh, yeah. Salik lang. Chat, nag-ano ako ngayon? Nag-COC. Pag nainip ako, ano, COC. Just waiting for that next setup. Fortunately, wala nang fails. Limit order ka ba? Pag nagbe-base it ako, yes. Limit order ang gamit ko pag base it yung tile. But sometimes pag ano naman yan, trend naman yan na malayo yung stop, I would execute market order. We will go lower. Wow, GG. Do you trades only on NY session, just scalping? Not really. Sir, may nakukuha ba yung percentage sa mga affiliate? Yeah, I do make, I think 15% ang commission. So yes, I encourage everybody to be an affiliate kung nagtitrade kayo with prop firm because you get money, you know? But syempre, promote mo lang kung ano yung product na naniniwala ka. Don't just promote for the sake of promoting. You should have belief or at least trading with that prop firm. What are the top rules na naging mistake mo sa Apex? Ano ba? In terms of rules, on top of my mind, top rules. Honestly, wala akong maisip na mahirap na rules right now with Apex. Before, mahirap ang rules with Apex when they have the 30% MAE, but now wala na yon. Paano yung trading execution? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, chat? I just executed. Oh, wow, ang daming ano nito, energy. Kaso, paano ko ito lulusubin? 160. Lulusubin na natin to. Oh. Do you use FVG or IFVG? I usually use FVG, not IFVG. Mas prefer ko ang FVG kasi ang IFVG oftentimes hindi ganun kaganda ang RR. Unless you are in a very strong trend. Previous month low today, chat, is what I'm looking at. Hopefully, I was 700% away, so previous month low, 700 points away, not percent. This is like 2.6, so it might not happen today, maybe tomorrow Asian session. Pero yeah. Let's see this, if this could actually work. Gut feel kay ES at least. Gusto ko makita today. 7524 on the ES. Minimum target. Thoughts mo sa SMC? SMC is good. Di mo na hold NQ short? No, I did not hold the NQ short. Unfortunately, I took too early. I took it too early. Take profit all here. I was able to take P here and market just dumped 200 more points. So no, di ako nag-hold, unfortunately. I wish I did. But it is what it is. Damn, bro, this is just dumping. Oh my god, I wish I did hold. Holy shit. Man, what the hell? This is fucking crazy. I wish I did hold, chat, even in my CFD. Oh my god, dude. This is insane, bro. We're down 500 points right now. Fucking insane. God, bro. A plus day today for sure. Today was an A plus day, chat. NQ will pump. Check it out. Okay. If you say so, my friend. If you say so, my friends. A lot. Paano ko ba ito papatayin? Sa challenge ba okay lang mag-over leverage? If you are so confident of getting a payout, then yes, it's okay. But if hindi ka confident to get a payout, yeah, it's not okay. Ito, magdi-deliver tayo here from this 1 minute per value gap. Continue sell off. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Man, hindi ako na-feel dito. We had this rejection again and continuous lang yung sell-off nito. Crazy, bro. How crazy this is. Mga bearish PDRA, just short them. This is a basic, right? Itong 1 minute na to, this could be a basic. Problema lang invalidation. As much as possible, may maganda ang invalidation. At least some kind of wick high. If you shorted here, this is 12 points, I guess. Then you can take profit 10 to 20 points. I'm going to be trading throughout the day today because I think we're going to have a nice price action. Hanggang mamaya. We're moving a lot, so. YM, hindi na siya umabot chat, unfortunately, dito sa midnight open to no wick candle trade. So possible we can have a bounce, a long trade instead, going back into midnight open. Potentially. By the way, today is last day of sale with Apex, if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to buy some accounts, use the code ROAN. It is 90% off. 13 hours left, chat. 13 hours left. 13 hours left. What strat do you use? I use ICT. Bro, chill. Chill out. Don't spam the chat. Why are you spamming the chat, bro? Chill, chill, chill. Hey, chat. Let's see this. So if mag-trade tayo dito sa order block open, I might take that trade from earlier. Same idea. I want to see a basic to occur in this price leg. May na-trade ka na trade. Yep. Currently 2-0 actually. Dalawang win so far today. Would you recommend equity edge for people like who want to trade? I don't know. I don't use equity edge. There are better firms, I would say, than equity edge to start. Pero honestly, kapag nagtitrade ka ng low account size, it doesn't really matter that much. As long as mag-stick ka siguro sa top 5. Grabe, sobrang bearish ng araw na to, solid. All the 1 minute are almost all the 1 minute are getting respected. Even a short in this 1 minute for value gap would have worked. Crazy. Dito sa FBG na to, 10 points. Macro time na chat. Let's focus on this. Meron palang ano dito, NWOG. I wonder if mag-work to. Ganun kaganda kasi ito eh. Baka sapulpulin ko yung retracement. Let's see if this is gonna work. Gusto ko siya makita mag-trade in here. Very quick. We'll see if I can get that quick basic. Magte-trade din siya by the way sa 15 minutes. 15 minutes for value gap. Itong red na level na nakikita nyo. Yan, itong red na to is gonna be a 15-minute gap. I'm just looking for a short-term scalping trade. Get that extra $300, $200. And I'll be content. Let's see, chat. Malapit na ako ma-fill. My last trade for today. Ay, actually, you know what? This stop is actually a bit aggressive. 42, so this is where it should be my stop is. Oh my god. Di ako ma-feel. If you have to choose one PDRA, what would it be? Fair value gap, for sure. Fair value gap is what I usually use, and yeah, it's something I would. If you ask me to choose, that would be fair value gap. Fair value gap all the way, chat. Di ba ako na-feel, chat? Konti na lang. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Oh man, so close, chat. So close. Just give that to me, my friend. Solid bagal na ng PA ngayon. I'm still bearish. Nothing has changed. I like the fact that we are currently in retracement mode. Ideally, siguro, kung magkakaroon tayo ng retracement sa 50%, I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, pero let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. But I like the fact na nag-stop na tayo mag-grind lower because anything that comes up must go down. Anything that goes down must come up at some point, right? 15 commission sa eval account. Yeah, if you are an affiliate, but it takes a lot of work to become an affiliate. Kailangan mong gumawa ng content. Mag-live stream ka. Some of them are actually requiring live streaming. So it's a lot of work. Happen on my field chat. Let's see if I'm gonna get fucked or gonna be a W. Okay, let's see. Tagal naman nitong mag-fill. My God, bro. Malapit na niyang i-fill yung 15 minutes as well. Kayo chat, green ba kayo? Are you guys green or red today? I feel like today, you should be green today. You should not be longing today. Green or red? Gawa ko ng poll. Let me know. Green or red? Green, red, BE. At least, I would like to see 80% of you at least green today. There was never a reason to long today, chat. I never seen any longs trade today. You shouldn't be longing today. You guys should all be green today. Kapag ba eval binibilisan mo para funded agad? Sa futures, oo, but not on CFD. Sa CFD, just trading 1%. Kasi mahal ang CFD. I'm not trading aggressively pag CFD. Umaabot ako ng 2 to 3 months bago napapasa yung mga account ko sa CFD. Tapos pag funded na ako, paldo-paldo kasi ang daming account, naghahantay, pa isa-isa lang tinitrade ko. 1%, 1% lang. Grabe, hindi pa rin ako binifill chat. Kinda annoying. I don't think umabot din siya ng 15 minutes FVG, right? Yeah, hindi rin siya umabot ng 15 minutes FVG. That was kinda annoying. %60 of you are green. That's nice. Weaker na tong ES ngayon, oh. Weaker asset na tong ES. Oh man, just low action. Need to be patient here. We already dumped 500 points, so if anything, ang tingin ko mag-move na to mamayang lunch or kaya PM session. About to get filled. God dang, bro. Fucking crazy. Tagal ma-fill nito. Yun na, nagtitrade na siya sa 15 minutes gap. Let's see if reject siya dito or something. Currently trading sa 15 minute. Yeah, it rejected sa 15. That was a 10 point already. 10-point trade after sweeping this high. But so itong 15 minute na to, nakikita nyo dito sa baba chat. Here, this is the 15 minute. They actually rejected like 20 points already from that 15 minute high. Yung entry ko was based off 5 minute order block open. Fortunately, we did not have that push, then dump. Nag-retrace lang tayo from a 15 minute key level and all from there. Pag di ako na-fill dito before 11:10, I'll call it a day. Um, yeah, I think I will trade throughout the day, but maybe this is a sign I should stop trading my Apex account. Already took my base it. Pag nagkaroon tayo ng bearish for value gap, I'll try to enter off of that. Okay. Para magkaroon ng whipsaw, biglang wick to my entry. I should get filled in here. Pag di ako na-fill dito, the chances of this working is low probability. Kailangan ma-fill ako in this berry candle. Pag di ako na-fill sa candle na to, I'm not going to take it. Kasi it should trade into this 5-minute bearish for value gap and reject from 15-minute at the same time. Yeah, that wasn't fun. That ma-feel ako right there and there dito sa candle na to. We're not doing that. That ma-feel ako dito. Not really doing that, eh? It's quite unfortunate. Nagre-reject pa rin tayo sa 15. Yeah, it does. Yeah, I'm not going to take this anymore, chat. Dalawang beses siya nag-reject from a 15-minute key level. If magpupush to higher, I would guess it's gonna skyrocket. Kasi it's disrespecting 15 minutes already. Dapat ma-feel ako dun eh, tapos mag-reject siya sa 15. That was the ideal scenario. But because we did not have that, I'm not going to take that trade anymore. Maghihintay na lang ako ng backside move. Hindi ko na ipipick yung top ng retracement na to. I'm gonna call it here, chat. I'm up, I don't know. I think I'm up 10K today across all my accounts. Calling it a day here. Thank you for being with me. Hit the like button on your way out. Just $400 per account. Nothing crazy. Today was an A+ day. Hope you guys were able to capitalize on this. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. Thank you so much for being with me. Na-appreciate ko kayo. And yeah, tight stop loss kaya olats. Man, I feel so unprofitable. Oh, better switching pair would help. Switching pair would help, maybe. Yeah, I don't trade gold. There's better market to trade, which is the NQES. But yeah, chat, I'm gonna call it a day here. Tomorrow is the last day of stream, chat. Tomorrow is the last day of stream. I'll be here tomorrow, and then Thursday, I have to travel. I'll be going to Japan this coming Thursday throughout July. So no streaming too much, but I'll be putting out content while I am in Japan. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, all of it, chat. So yeah, peace out, everybody. Peace out. Bye-bye, everybody. Sayonara.